welcome back to my channel, students. Good evening. Okay, so today I'm going to start the illustrations, okay, on partners commission from B.B.Dam book. Okay, so you know what are the illustrations given, okay, on partners commission. You can check out B.B.Dam book. Okay, so today I'm going to do illustration number 25. So here you see Payal and Tulsi are partners in a firm. Payal is to get a commission of 10% of net profit before charging any commission. So before charging any commission, okay, on net profit, Payal will get a commission of 10%. Okay, and Tulsi is to get a commission of 10% on net profit after charging all commissions. So after giving commission to Payal, whatever net profit comes out, okay, on that net profit Tulsi will get commission. Okay, so after charging commission, okay, to the first party, okay, the second party's commission will be calculated on the basis of the formula net profit into rate divided by 100 plus rate. Okay, that was the formula. Yes or no? I have discussed in my earlier classes. You can check out my videos. Okay, so what is the net profit given for the year ended March 31st, 2021? It is 55,000. Okay, so ascertain the commission of Payal and Tulsi. Also prepare profit and loss appropriation account to show the distribution of profits. So you have to prepare, you have to take out the amount of commission both for Payal and Tulsi, and you have to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, so this was the question. You see here. Okay, so see the solution. So commission of Payal, the first party. Okay, so before charging any commission, 10% of net profit, okay, was the commission of Payal. Okay, so net profit was 55,000. 10% of 55,000 is 5,500. So this is the amount of commission given to Payal. Now after charging commission, so after charging Payal's commission, what will be the commission of Tulsi? It's 55,000. Sorry, not commission, net profit of, okay, what is the net profit? Okay, after giving commission to Payal, okay, what is the net profit? You see here. So net profit equals to 55,000 minus 5,500. Okay, so that is 49,500. Now on this, okay, on this net profit, Tulsi will get commission. Okay, so after charging commission, so when it is after charging commission, the formula will be rate divided by 100 plus rate. And I have explained in my further videos how this formula has come out. Okay, you just can check my previous videos. Okay, so it is rate is 10 divided by 100 plus 10, it is 110 into 49,500. So 4,500 is the commission of Miss Tulsi. Okay, now here you see you have to draw the profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, so just you have to write net profit, it is 55,000. Then partners commission for Payal it is 5,500 and for Tulsi it is 4,500. So it's 10,000. So when you subtract, okay, 10,000 from 55,000, you will get 45,000. Okay, so that you have to share amongst Payal and Tulsi, okay, equally. Okay, equally you have to share. So 22,500, 22,500. Okay, so this is the solution for this question. It is illustration number 25. Okay, so next class, okay, you will get, okay, a bit critical ones, okay, the illustrations. Okay, so we will try to solve out. Okay, thank you for today.